This is the last part we are going to build. And first of all, I want to thanks that in the previous parts, I've gained some support from you. Like, thank you for that. Would motivate me by subscribing, like, comments. Okay. So without wasting much time, let's start our video. Okay. So first thing in the last part is that we have to give this part again. We have to make this part again, right? So what I do, I just duplicating this thing so we don't have to make this again. Okay, just have to increase the size because a little bit. Increase the size like 550. No, it's getting only on button. So let's increase. Okay, make this full 500. Increase the space here and decrease the height. 60 is fine. Oh, let's see here 70. Oh no, 60 is fine. So we'll be using 60. That's it. Button width is perfectly fine. Just think to increase the font size of from 20 to 25 and this one as well. Okay, so increase by only 2 by 2, 12 by 17. So that will be fine. Perfect. This thing as well. Make it like 23. Perfectly fine. Right. We have to duplicate this. Just copy text. Yes. Increase the font size. We want bigger than this. 25 medium Roberto. Perfect. Yes, that we want. 22 will be fine. Let's say 22. It's all about hit and trial. Yes, perfect. 22 is fine. Then I had to add some FAQs, some links here. So let's start. Question. This is the number which we can see on the page. And decrease font size to 20. Perfect. Then some more text. Accuse investor relations, privacy, and speed test. Perfect. And just from the left side, increase the line height. Uh, 23 auto right. Let's restart with 23. Let's say 30 will be fine, maybe. Yes, 30. Fine. Fine. Okay. Next thing is that just duplicate these things. So, okay. Uh, counts. Now align these things. Group them. Okay, just again. Increase the font size. I think so. Make it regular. Perfect. Perfect. Fine. Just things. Yes. Okay. And we want one more thing here. We want this thing. And we want a text here which says Netflix. Yes. And its font will be like something like this. Uh, yes. And it will be 23, like 22 regular. Fine. Okay, now we have actually one more thing here, because these are the links, so we have to give some lines, underlines. Okay, so what I'm doing here is, and this number. Okay, fine. Okay, and one more thing is that, yes, 1 minute. These all things, this, 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 have more space, line space. So 40 will be fine, I think so. 40 will be, yes, 40 seems to be fine. Maybe I have to give more. 45. Let's see, 45. Yes, 45. Fine. The, yes. Yeah. And one more thing, that well, the earbud, right? We have to give some more black. Okay. So give the width, the same width of the frame, right? Place it here. Give the height like 1,000. Yes. Give the fill black. Decrease the opacity, and decrease the opacity like 30%. Sorry, 30%. And just to check that, send a little backward. Uh, Yes. Let's see a review. Yes. So this is our landing. We have completed our landing page here. Okay. Looking much better. Yes. So in this video, we have covered all the left out things, right? I enjoyed making this and hope you find this series interesting. Okay, please support me by subscribing my channel, because this is a new channel. Like and put some good comments for this video. Okay, thank you.